A rideshare driver picked up a passenger who left behind a laptop. Inside were confidential merger documents worth millions in insider trading profits. He was 3 days from eviction. His daughter needed surgery they couldn't afford. He could have sold that information and solved every problem overnight. Instead, he spent 3 sleepless nights researching what those documents meant. The temptation was crushing. His wife was furious when he told her his plan. But on day 3, he tracked down the passenger and returned the laptop. The passenger was a Fortune 500 CEO. She stared at him in disbelief. "Do you know what you just gave up?" she asked. "Yeah," he said, "but I also know what I would have given up if I kept it." She offered him a position in corporate security that same day. Within 2 years, he became head of corporate ethics. His daughter got her surgery. They bought their first home. He didn't just find a job, he found his calling. Sometimes doing the right thing doesn't just save your soul, it transforms your entire life.